Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they're thinking that they could just rotate or take this. So you can see that this is the item they want to show off, but it's over here, it's behind the other layer. So if you take this one and go up to Object in Order in front of page, then it puts that one behind. So there's really no way to do it. So let's just delete all these except for this one. And you've got this structure. I'm going to go and left click, right click, make an outline. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it from this center of this polygon. And I'm going to rotate it. Basically, I just have to rotate it in negative 60 degrees. Because here's the feature we want. So if you will take in the Smart Fill tool and fill it in with that blue and then move that out of the way, 2 clicks, and then get rid of these boxes. And then you can take this back where it was. I'm going to try to duplicate his Smart Fill. And it looks like it was just black on the ends, maybe not quite that much. And you can always bring more blue in or whatever you want to do. Let's call that good. And now you've made a notch for that. So Control D and make a duplicate. Move it to the center. There we go. Rotate it 60 degrees. And now that notch is going to be visible. I have no clue what kind of logo this is. But this way it's always going to be on top because that spot's not actually there because we've taken that spot out. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.